GameFixPhilly. This is Jay from GameFixPhilly. Today I have a PS5 came for repair. I already tear down the face cover and fan and shield cover, everything. All the screws removed, so it's ready to remove the HDMI port and put a new one. I will go directly to the console. Just now, just for a second. So I will show you the front full. Okay. I saw a couple of videos like if you put your console like this vertically, there's a chance of spilling the liquid metal onto the board, and that may cause the board to be get damaged. So I want to make sure it's a true case or not. So I'm going to open this console. I don't know how the customer used this console for laying down. Maybe it is vertical or horizontal. Anyway, I'm going to remove the board right now here like this. So yeah, it's not going beyond this point because there is a protection layer on that one. But you can see that there is a spot like the black spot here. There is not that much thermal paste. So if you keep the console vertically, there is a chance of dropping all the liquid metal to the bottom side. So better to keep the console like this on your shelf, so that will reduce the damage by spilling the liquid metal. So that's an advice for today. So if you're watching the video first time, please subscribe to the channel, also turn on notification and give a thumbs up to the channel. Wait. So let me move the camera to microscope. Okay. So if you look at this port, you can see the port is get damaged. One side is broken, and this is because of pushing the HDMI port too much, or maybe they try to wobble the cable. That's why. So anyway, don't worry if you damage the HDMI port. I'm here to fix all these problems. So let's see how we can remove this HDMI port. Now before start doing anything, I put some Captain tape to protect these two components nearby the HDMI port, because when I'm applying the hot air, there's a chance of getting off these two small components. So for protecting that two small components, I use the Captain tape to cover that area, so it will not go fly away when I am applying the heat and hot air. See, I will keep it like that, and I put a small weight on the board so it will not move. Now just apply some soldering flux. This flux is halogen free, Amtech NC559. It's a good soldering paste. So now I am going to clean my soldering iron tip. So before start applying the hot air, I used to what do you say, melt that 4 points by using some fresh lead like this. So keep doing like this for a few more minutes. Good, good. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to apply some hot air. Okay, same time I use some cotton swab to clean this area. Just apply the hot air over the top of these 4 legs. Then it will come off automatically. You don't need to push or pull the port to come off. If you push or pull the HDMI port to come off fastly, there's a chance of breaking the traces. So once it is reached the melting point, it will automatically come off. Look at that 4 legs, so you can see that it is almost melting. That's it. This came off easily. Okay, trash. So same time, just clean this area so it will not hit hard. Now we will flip the board to the other side and let me put the weight over the top of this board. And there is no missing components, luckily. The cap is there, diode is there, everything is there. So now we need to apply the solder paste. First I will apply one less thin layer of solder paste. That's enough. Then just clean the tip of this. And now we can apply a little bit of solder flux, maybe a little more here. Okay, now next step is to clean the tip of the soldering iron and take some lead on the tip and just make it nice and clean like this. Yes. Just cleaning that whole area. Now apply a thin layer of fresh flux. That's enough. Now I need to take one HDMI port, brand new HDMI port. It's a high quality HDMI port. So I want to make it ready. I'll show you how to make it ready. Okay. You have to apply a little bit of flux on the top of that HDMI port and just apply a thin layer of lead on this side. Okay, we can use this on the bottom. I'm using the small okay. Now it's almost ready. Now we can apply the hot air from the bottom. Yes. Just apply the hot air from the bottom like this. So almost there, reach the melting point, but still keep waving the hot air from the bottom. Once it is reached the maximum melting point, we will put the pot onto the 4 legs. Yeah. So almost there. This area is need to be. Yeah. You can see that all the points are melting now. Now you can put the HDMI port just like that and make it arranged properly. Then press it down for a few seconds and do not move. Hold it like that. Stay tight. That's it. Okay, now we will check the bottom and same time we will check all the pins. If it is intact, we're ready to go. It's looking good, but still I want to make it more shiny. So I will put some apply some lead flex on that one. Also some lead after that. So then now it's the time to take the iron, clean the tip, make a fresh layer of lead, keep it like that. Good, 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 good. Yes. Good, good, that's it. Yeah, so now all the 4 legs are looking good. Maybe you can clean that area by using this brush, just like that. Now I'm going to flip the board and see the fins. Okay, move the microscope to the back. Okay, it's good. Now you look at all the pins by using a sharp pointed device like a tweezer. All pins are intact. Normally I use this one. It's a narrow pointed. Check all the pins. Yes, all the pins are good. So now we are going to apply some fresh isotope alcohol onto that point and take a brush to clean this area. Now we will clean the back side. Same time we will remove the Captain tape. I'll show you the back. Okay, tip of alcohol, take a paper towel or a cotton swab to clean this area. Better you can use a cotton swab. Sometimes you can use a tweezer to clean this area. See, there is some residues. So good. Some more isotope alcohol and use the brush to clean that area one more time. And next you need to take some more. So meantime you can use do like this also. Put a paper on the top and use the brush to clean that area. So it will make it nice and clean. See, look at that. What do you think? It's better than the factory soldering? Leave me a comments or give a like if you like the soldering. Okay, look at that. Good. Now I will flip it over and we need to do something one more time to clean the HDMI port. Same day I use compressed air to clean that area. That's it. Now I will show you under the microscope. Look at that. Nice and clean. So it's done, almost done. Now we are going to put the restore this. You need to restore this. What is it? The liquid metal. It's spilled over the or outside that surface. So we need to restore that onto the surface and make it ready. After that, we need to take the swab. Cotton swab came with the isopropyl. Sorry, this cotton swab came with the liquid metal thermal paste. I buy some liquid metal for restoring the board. Now you can use like this. Just spread the liquid metal all over the board like this, above the CPU or APU. Make sure you spread all over the APU. So now I will just restore this one back to the APU by using the cotton swab. See, this is how we can restore the PS5's liquid metal. Same way we'll do on this one. I want to make sure it's clean now. Okay, now I'm going to use this one to spread it all over the surface. this liquid metal is conductive, so if it is spill and came onto the circuit board, there is a chance of short circuit, so it will damage the console. Do like this, and I want to take all these things off from the swap. Okay, now it's almost ready to put the console back onto the board. So the board come back onto the console frame. Just put it like this. Connect all the cables. This is the power cable. Here is the Wi-Fi cable for rear black, rear white. Then this is the power cable and power cable for the front light. Now we need to put this one back onto the console. This is a clamp for the heatsink. So just put it back here. So let me take the screwdriver. It's easy. Yes. Tight it like that. Just hand it. Don't tight it over. There's a chance of breaking the APU. Now we can test this console by setup like this. Connect the HDMI and press the power button. Now I will go to front small, so you can see the console. It's lighting up. Now it's blue. It will turn down to white. Then the console should be turned on. The display should be show something on the screen. Yes, that was another successful repair by GameFixPhilly. So the console is okay. Console is ready. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned. I'll be back with another console. I have a couple of consoles to fix. One is Xbox One and another one is a PS4. PS4 is not taking a risk, so we'll open it and check the console. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned. Please give a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. This is GameFixPhilly, Jay from GameFixPhilly. Complete solution for the gaming consoles. If you want to fix any console, please call me on my mobile number or purchase my repair service on eBay. All the details are on my video description. You can get it from there and contact me. I will fix the console for you. Also, I give you the estimate and shipping cost and everything, how to send the console to me, and how I am doing all these things online. So please give me support. Bye bye. Thank you.